12, 11, 10, 9. Ignition sequence start. 6, 5,
Stupid fuck. Why? I don't. Oh my god. Oh. A little too low.
Where are you guys all going? Where are you guys going? Where are we going?
Dude was pointing at his helmet and then pointing at me. We have the same fucking helmet. That shit. Can't make that shit up. Can't buy a fucking helmet these days without somebody else having it. This day. God damn, what the fuck did I do to fucking always deserve this shit? You guys cover my lane like you fucking own the place. God damn it. Get the fuck out of my fucking lane! Ah, the stupidity, it's not even worth. Ah, stop. Don't get angry. It's not fucking worth it. It happens too fucking much. You're not gonna fucking change people's views overnight, god damn it. I can't make you guys fucking understand. Fuck!